This is an upgraded Anker Soundcore Boost Bluetooth speaker. This one's got USB-C charging. It's waterproof, 12-hour battery life. You can connect your app to adjust the EQ. This thing has a bass up feature that has extra bass. Boom, 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 boom. Thanks for choosing Anker. Quick start and user manual right here. Nice. The USB-A to USB-C charging cable. This is the upgraded Anker Soundcore Boost with the USB-C charging. Nice. That's fabric right there. And this is 100% waterproof. That's sweet. Get the bass up button right here for extra bass. Water sealing tap right here. But if you pull it open right there, you got your connectivity inside. You got your USB-A, so you can actually charge your phone or a USB device. So that's USB-A right there. You also have USB-C charging. Nice. And then you close this up so it's watertight right here because this thing is waterproof. Nice speaker. I love the grill. That is so cool. This is Anker Soundcore Boost Bluetooth speaker with USB-C charging, 12-hour battery life on this thing with the EQ. When you connect it to the app, this thing has bass up feature, waterproof, USB-C charge. I can't stop. It's so good. Push and hold the power button, boom, and let go. Ooh, there we go. It powered up. And you see how it's blinking blue right there? That means it's in pairing mode. Connected. It's loud and it's clear. Super crystal clear. Anker Soundcore Boost Bluetooth speaker right here. Let's go. Wait for the bass. Wait for the bass. Oh, that bass though. That bass sounds so good. That bass is rocking. I mean, this thing is a lightweight, waterproof, USB-C charging, 12-hour playtime, 20-watt speaker. Oh, the bass is good. I like the fabric mesh right here. It's simple. It looks good. Compact size. Amazing sound quality. Don't forget, you can connect your app, adjust the EQ just the way you want. This is the Anker Soundcore Boost upgrade speaker right here. Oh, yeah.